Perfect standing desk. They sell these models at IKEA, I believe. So the mobile office coming in strong. Trying to catch up on reports, emails, on the rail of the truck. Got my power cord going out instead of sitting here idling all the time. Oh yeah, this is the mobile office. It is an absolute disaster right now. I need to clean it. But got a Duracell inverter, pulling off the battery bank. That's what I use to charge all my batteries, plug my laptop into, all that good stuff. Pretty handy. That's an 800 watt. I can run some small power tools off of it. I don't have a actual large one. Most of what I use is battery powered anyway. And then I got my backpack right there working as a filing cabinet. Keeping all my stuff. My phone holder up there keeps track of everything for my phone, so I can keep it on the go. And this is my desk space. It's a standing desk that you know, they say ergonomical. You know, standing desks do well for you. You know, help with your back. You know, it's good and healthy. You're supposed to be healthier whenever you do a standing desk. So, you know, yeah, perfect standing desk. They sell these models at IKEA, I believe. So, you can go check one out.